Hello, sisters. Welcome back to the channel. It's Miss Sunny, and oh my god, it's been a month since I last posted on this channel. It's because I've been protective styling. I got a lot of DMs from you guys asking, where are you? Anytime I don't post for a while, it's mainly because I'm protective styling. Okay, and now I've taken my protective style out. I've seen a lot of new good, and I'm going to be sharing with you all this hairsprays, the hair oil I used to achieve a lot of new good during this season of my protective style. I'll also be sharing with you the mistakes I made and things I learned from my mistakes. So be sure to watch to the end of the video so you do not miss out on any of the valuable tips I'm going to be sharing in this video. Without further much ado, let's just get right into the video. So first things first, the thing you're supposed to make sure you have on is a protective style, right? I did twists. You're going to see further on in the video the twist. I did chunky twists for my protective style. And then I went ahead and prepared my spray. You know that the stable thing I always use in my hair good sprays are cloves. I've seen a few sisters in the comments telling me about they use clove spray in their hair, but it dries out their hair. It's because the spray you are making is too concentrated, okay? When you use 2 spoons of cloves in your hairspray, of course, your hair is going to dry out because the concentration is too powerful. Use 1 spoon or half a teaspoon of clove buds when you want to do your hairspray, especially when you notice that when you use a lot, your hair dries out. Just use smaller quantity. Okay, less concentrated also works. The next ingredient I used in this hairspray is cinnamon sticks. I used it because one of my hair influencers on TikTok, she always adds cinnamon to her hair good recipes. And I did more research on it and I came to find out that cinnamon actually contains something called cinnamaldehyde, which increases blood flow when applied to the scalp. This enhances better circulation to the scalp, which brings more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles, thereby stimulating your hair growth. It made perfect sense to me. So I started using cinnamon in my therapies as well. So yes, we are using cloves, 2 sticks of cinnamon, and I'm going to be adding lukewarm water to this. It's very simple, guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get your hair masks or hairsprays ready. Just cloves, just cinnamon, they work well. My water is still very clear, as you can see. I'm going to let this infuse for about 24 hours before I use it in my hair. After 24 hours, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. If you're watching this video up to now and still not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Share this video with your sisters, your aunties, your moms, anyone with natural or permed hair. Share it with them. They'll learn a thing or two from this video that will help them in their hair care journey. So after 24 hours, as you can see, my water is fully infused now. You can see by the change in color of the water, it's fully infused now. I'm going to sieve this and pour it into my applicator bottle. And also note, at this point, some sisters like to add oils to their sprays like this. Okay, you can add castor oil, olive oil, or even essential oils like lavender oil. You can add these kinds of things to your spray. They just enhance the ability of the spray. I'm just going to be using the spray as is. I'm going to use the oil later on in the video. I'll show you how I use the spray and the oil together in my routine. I'm just transferring the spray into my applicator bottle, and this bottle is going to last me for about 10 days. I use the spray 2 to 3 times in a week, so it's going to last me about 10 days, and I store this spray in the refrigerator. So here's the spray we prepared earlier. This is what I used in my protective style. Now you see I did twist, chunky twist. You can also do braids, cornrows, any protective style that works well for your hair type. Do it. Just make sure that the style is not too tight. It doesn't cause tension or irritation to your scalp. A loose hairstyle is okay. Starting with problem areas like the edges. If you have weak edges, maybe your edges is receding backward, you start with these areas first. You apply the spray, then you massage it into your scalp. For my postpartum moms as well, start using this. Okay, don't wait for all the edges to fall off before you now start looking for a solution. No, as soon as you notice the hairline receding backward, this is how you deal with it. You start making these sprays, applying it on your edges, then massaging it in. Back to my protective styling routine. After I apply the spray on my edges, I apply it to moisturize my hair as well. Just a small mist on your hair strands to keep your hair moisturized. And what I do specifically is I mist my hair with the spray, then I gently squeeze the spray into my hair strands. You mist your hair with the spray, then you gently squeeze the spray into your hair strands. Don't forget the ends of your hair as well. We all know those parts are the oldest part of our hair. They break easily. When the ends of your hair keep on breaking easily, you will not see increase in the length of your hair because the ends of your hair is breaking. Do you get what I just said? When you don't take care of the ends of your hair, they break and you will not see progress in the length of your hair. So be sure to concentrate also not just on the root of your hair, but the length of your hair and the ends of your hair. And as we all know, the scalp is actually where the hair goes out of. So put the spray on your scalp. Massage it in with your other hand like you're seeing me do in the video. Going on to the last step of this routine, after we are finished applying the spray on our scalp, on our hair, we are going to seal the moisture from the spray using hair oil. This, what I'm holding right now, is castor hair oil. I'm already done with this. That's why I have the second bottle. When this finishes finally, I'll use the next new bottle as I'm showing you in the video. Whatever I'm saying, I use it. That's why you see progress in my hair. I don't just talk. It's because I use it, I see results. That's what I'm telling you. So the old bottle, I'm just going to use the last of the spray and use it on my hair strands to seal in the moisture from the spray. And the sisters that are planning on saying, Miss Sunny, I don't have castor hair oil. I don't know what to do. Sister, use olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, use coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, use almond oil. Okay, use something. If you don't have castor oil, the other hair oils work well as well in sealing in the moisture. So I'm just going to continue using the oil on my hair strands. This also helps if you face dryness after moisturizing your hair. Just this extra step, using oil to seal in the moisture, makes a huge difference. So if you use your hairsprays and you feel like your hair dries out, just seal in the moisture using a hair oil, a good hair oil like castor oil. And this is basically the routine. I'm done. This takes about 5 minutes. Don't forget to use the oil on your edges as well. Your edges also need some of that oil, so don't just spray and leave it. Use oil on your edges too as well. If you have balding spots in the middle parts of your hair, the back of your head, the edges portion of your hair, just use the oil after you use the spray. That is basically the routine. It's so simple, sisters. I'm just going to put all my hair into a bun and it's going to be like that. Don't also forget to scalp massage. We know we always scalp massage here. So yes, I'm just going to put my hair into a bun and that's basically the end of the routine. If you have any questions for me, you do not understand something I said, or you want to make further inquiries about something I said, let me know in the comments. I answer all questions I see in the comments. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. It's me, Sunny, and on to the next video. I'm out.